Ahlan everyone, welcome back again. Today you guys will watch me make couscous salad in Turkish style. It is packed full of flavors, great on its own, great as a side dish, great as a light snack or a supper. This is something very unique, delicious and gives a perfect satiety value to your stomach and good carbs goes into your stomach. So let's get started. All you need is 1 cup of couscous, the plain regular couscous, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. That's it. Along with that, some herbs. You need cucumber, of course, tomatoes, 2 medium size, 1 onion, 1 big fat lemon, some herbs like mint, 1/4 cup, half cup of coriander and half cup of parsley. So this is something we get it in our regular kitchen shelves. So just grab the ingredients and start this recipe. Start with slicing of tomatoes with 1/2 inch diameter and then finely chop them. You don't need to be a pro, as I say always, just chop them finely. My tomatoes are finely chopped. Moving on to the onions. Finely chop the onions. You need a 1 medium onion and just finely chop them. It gives a good taste to the couscous salad. Next we move on to the parsley. Chop them finely. You need 1/2 cup of parsley. Again finely chop the mint leaves. You need 1/4 cup of it. It gives a good aroma to the couscous salad. Chop the cilantro or coriander leaves. You need 1/2 cup of it. Now last thing which has to be chopped is cucumber. Just slice them right from top to the bottom and then chop them finely. It gives freshness to the couscous salad, and who doesn't love cucumbers in their salads? As you can see, my onions are ready, cucumbers are chopped, tomatoes are chopped, parsley is chopped along with mint and cilantro. They are all finely chopped. We need a big fat lemon. We need this as it gives a good tanginess to the couscous salad. You need to roll it on the counter so that the capsules burst in and it gives you more juice, of course. So this is a small trick. Whereas move on to the couscous again. We need a small pan. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To the olive oil add 1 cup of couscous. Saute it for some time. We need not wait for the color change here. We are adding this to the olive oil so that each grain remains separated and doesn't stick to each other. So this is a small trick. It gives your couscous a good texture when you make a salad. So here my couscous is all ready. Saute it for a minute and it's all done. Now the next step is take a saucepan, add 1 cup of water to it and let it to boil. It's so easy. When the water is boiling, add 1 teaspoon of salt. To this add ground cumin 1 teaspoon. Also, you have to add 1 teaspoon of paprika, smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. You can adjust your taste of spices. If you want to add little less, you can add. To this, add the sauteed couscous and give it a mix and immediately cover it. You need not wait for it. Just cover it. It will be cooked in its own steam. Yes, my couscous is all done. Just fluff it up with the help of a fork. You can see all the grains are so separate and so good. Take a bowl, add the couscous in it and add some tomato paste. Couscous is already been seasoned. Mix it well. You can also use your hands here. The mix will be very perfect. So you can mix with your spoon, it's up to you. So after the mix, you need to add all the vegetables like cucumber, onions, tomatoes, everything into the couscous bowl. Give it a good mix with all the herbs, the goodness of herbs and all the spices. It gives a good aroma and it is so good and delicious. Believe me, this goes so well with lamb chops and grilled chicken. Now it's time to add some tanginess to the couscous salad. Just cut the lemon and squeeze all the goodness into the bowl, and it gives a perfect tanginess to the couscous salad. This citrusy flavor is a must in this salad. And as a dressing, you need to add generous amount of olive oil. Don't be like adding less. Add generous amount of olive oil and this couscous is ready. It looks so good, isn't it, guys? You can see the color, the texture. It is not at all soggy. The water into the couscous is well absorbed. It's not too much or too less. Haven't subscribed yet? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for amazing and interesting recipes and get notified by hitting the bell icon. Time for the taste test. So let's taste. Let me try a spoonful of it. Looks delicious. It's delicious, guys. So guys, do try it. And till then, take care. Masalam.